Accessorize! Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchticks.com. What do you get for that special person in your life that's got everything, including their own smartwatch? Or if they're getting a smartwatch for the holiday season, what would make a great stocking stuffer? I think you figured it out. Their own brand new specialized strap or band from StrapsCo. They've got their own line in all kinds of different sizes. I'm going to show you a bunch of them that are 26 millimeter, 24, 22. Those are pretty much standard for our smartwatches we have here from both their own collection and the high-end Dassari. Wow, really beautiful bands. We've got ones that look like this. Yeah, I'll take them out of the bag, and I'm going to put them on some watches. But just for a quick look, check these puppies out. They sent a broad collection so we can really give you a great sampling of what these different bands look like on different styles of smartwatches. And yes, that brand new Prime 2, that big thing, I've got some in here. This one in particular, I can't wait to put this one on. Going to put this one on that one because these are all 26 millimeter, and then, yum. We're going to see these right now. The Prime 2. What an amazing watch. And this is the stock band. I have the lights down real low here so you can see the detail in it. Now, one of the interesting things when you put this band on, and it's easy to do, is slide it through the buckle and tighten it up. There. It's a nice band. There's nothing wrong with it, except it's kind of nondescript on the side. It holds the watch, that's for sure. You got a couple of loops you can put it on, like so. But let's think about bands for a minute. Check out what this looks like, and imagine that if the side was a little bit more there to accentuate the there-ness of the watch, like this, if it were, how do you get into these things? Oh my gosh, it's really sealed. There it is. Obviously, I have not done this before. It just came in. I'm so excited. It's late afternoon. That's why the special lighting. But look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, can you imagine? You don't have to imagine. Now, tell me if that doesn't change everything about this watch. Are you ready? Oh, me too. All right. I'm going to wait till it's brighter sunshine outside. Yeah, I'm in a very controlled, lighted studio, as you can tell. And we'll go through the other bands, but I just want you to see this one right off the bat, because I'm going to play with it all weekend long. Yoo-hoo! Oh, now that was just too much fun. Way too much fun. Yeah, had fun with this all weekend long. In fact, if you want to see some pictures taken from the amazing camera on the Prime 2, head on over to the review of this watch, and in the show notes there'll be a link to take you over to a folder where there was beach volleyball going on, and I was able to, well, let me just say this watch definitely draws attention. But this isn't the only look you can have. I've got a couple of other bands. What would you say if you were more of a NASCAR kind of guy than a Dwayne Johnson dude, right? You'd say you probably want a band like this. Well, what does this look like on this watch? Are you ready? Whoa. Whoa. Again, we're accentuating the existence of the band. It's not hiding anymore. It's right out there, ready to see, and gives a whole different energy. Yeah. So how do you find these things? Well, you'll end up landing on a page like this. This was the one we just showed you, the rubber bullet style strap, and that's not going to be your price, that's for sure. I'm going to give you a link in a second. You can go through their whole store, or I'm going to have individual links for the separate bands. But you got to use the links I'm giving you in order to get 10% off of the total price. And that will flow through in their special 3 for 2 that they offer as well. You buy 2 bands, you get an extra third one for free, and you get the 10% off on the whole order as well. So very, very easy. StrapsCo is the company, so you go to tinyurl.com/StrapsCo. That gives you instant 10% discount, and then just rummage through and buy whichever bands you want. All right, I've got another one to show you. This one obviously has got its own accentuation with red. How would you like green? Want to see that one on? All righty. Here you go, green. Yep. This is a custom face Mr. Tix made a long time ago when I put the course on how to make custom faces right here on smartwatchtix.com. If you have an Android watch, see that, how the golf ball just went right into the hole? If you got an Android watch and you're interested in customizing your own faces to match your custom bands, you can do it easily. Hop on over, look in the playlist for custom watch face design. Now, what I want to tell you about these bands is not only their little color differences and nuances, but they all do different approaches to things. This is a really beefy rubber band. It's super thick. If you're going to be rough with your watch, this is a band for it because it's not going to fly off, break, or anything else. And of course, you can design. That's that quick camera app. Remember that one? Flap it up, touch it, take a picture, hide it, love it. Radar. I mean, you can do so much with these watches. And now you can customize them with the bands. So these have all been 26 millimeter bands for this amazing Prime 2 because it's a really wide watch. There's others out there use the same size bands, but most of the watches are thinner. And because of that, you have to get a little bit narrower band. So we're going to move from 26 millimeter down to 24 and look at how some other custom bands appear on, well, these watches. So what's the first thing you do when you get a brand new phone? Huh? Who said that? Well, that's a good answer. The first thing you should do when you get a new phone is charge it up. It's the same thing you do when you get a new smartwatch. Charge it up. But the second thing you do with a new phone is you go and get yourself a case. Now, it may come with a little plastic case just to protect it, and you could use that one. But most of the time, you guys shop for a really cool case, right? You starting to see the analogy? Welcome to the Lympho Lem13 camera watch, where we're going to look at these bands here. But if you don't like round, I got an update. You could go square. The Lympho Lem13. All the same band. TPU, rubberized black band. Want something different? Me too. I want you to see this up close. Check it out. Carbon fiber, blue stitching, really nice broad buckle on it. It even wraps around to the back. Very, very nice, genuine leather band. And here's what it looks like on the Lem13. Now this obviously is a watch of the future. And now the band matches it. Really beautiful integration. Pop that puppy up. Do what you're going to do. Twist it around. Whatever you like. Lem13. Look for the review here on smartwatchtix.com if you haven't seen it yet. And the band, remember, StrapsCo. tinyurl.com/StrapsCo will get you over here where you can find the carbon fiber band and pick it up at 10% off. Nice, huh? Let's check out another one. So how about if you want to take this beautiful watch out for dinner and dress it up a little bit? Check this band out. This is one from the Dassari line that StrapsCo carries, and we'll see a few more of those here in a minute. I just wanted to show you on an Android smartwatch, you can have a dress band and really make it look cool for any occasion. One watch, lots of bands, saves you money. All right, let's move on to a different size now. Sure, I'll show it to you. There you go. The carbon fiber band. If you had it on, it would look like this. Yeah. Many different choices, all at tinyurl.com/StrapsCo. Now we're moving down from 24 to 22 millimeter. Ah, the Thor 6, the brand new Android 10 Thor 6, the same one with a really weird band that doesn't actually have holes that go all the way through. You kind of have to push the, well, it's odd. It's odd to say the least, and first thing I'd want to do is definitely upgrade the band on this one. So how about a Dassari that you can integrate with the watch faces of your choice? Here's what this 22 millimeter watch band looks like. Here you go. Notice something interesting about these particular bands, in addition to the highlight stitching on them, is that they taper down so they don't look as huge on your wrist. So if you're really trying to help make an Android smartwatch feel smaller, seem smaller, then you may want to integrate it with a tapering type of a band. These guys put all kinds of attention to detail. Here's the same band with a different face on it. Yep, you can change faces all day long, and no, I'm not going to tell you where I get all these faces. I don't even remember anymore. Some are stock, some are special, but wherever you get them, you can integrate them with your particular band. But wait, there's more! We are waiting for the arrival of the Lympho Lem13 Pro. This is the original Lympho Lem12, and it came with a really nice rubberized, leather-looking brown band as an option as well. But you can still dress this up even. When you enter the world of fashion, attention to detail is everything. It takes on a completely different look and feel when you put a band like this on. This again is one of the Dassari collection, and again, you can pick it up over at StrapsCo by following this link, tinyurl.com/StrapsCo. I get it already, but you know, I got to tell you 5 times for you to remember it. That was the 4th. Only one more. Metal. StrapsCo even has a full selection of different metal bands, stainless steel, various metals, various colors, various type of connections. This is rose gold. I want you to see this up close because of, well, how it's all packaged together, how it works. See these things that fold under here that'll lay nice and flat under your arm, and you press these buttons to release it. You get quick release. You can remove the different links if you need to fit your particular arm, and it's all protective and wrapped in plastic. So I'm going to show you this one on the Honor Magic Watch 2. Of course, if I had a gold watch the same size that this would integrate with, yeah, you'd get the idea. But check out the band. I need to pull out a few links. That's why I'm holding it over like this. But to remove it, it's super simple. You just snap it, pull it off, and there you go. So metal bands are available as well. Well, there you have it. Beautiful smartwatch bands for smartwatches in your watch collection. Everything from carbon fiber high-tech stuff to, wow, evening on the town, and, well, wherever you're riding your Harley. Not to mention metal bands as well. And you can get them from StrapsCo using our link, tinyurl.com/StrapsCo. You get yourself automatic 10% discount, and when you buy 2 bands, you get the 3rd one for free with the discount. Hope you can take advantage of that. Beautiful stocking stuffers or Christmas presents or birthday presents or a good present for yourself. What the heck? It's your collection, right? We'll see you again soon, and thanks for watching.